want to go to chat.openai.com. And from there, you will sign up or log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Google account. And here they tell you some things, but here you just start asking the chat some questions. I'm going to ask it to write a sales page because I haven't asked this yet for a math product. You might take, or she or they might take their time, so you just wait a little bit. So it asked me a bunch of good information, so I'll fill that in right now. All right, let's see what it has to say. And while we're waiting, you see that it created a title for this chat. It does that for all of your chats right here, so I definitely recommend having a new chat for every question you ask so you can find that specific conversation in text easily. Okay, guys, this was pretty awesome. So I feel like I will definitely be taking this to use myself because content copy is not my strong point at all. Let's see what are some other things that you could search for to help your business. I did Insta captions for teachers right here, 5 captions for Instagram as a teacher in the month of February. These were kind of basic, but I feel like the hashtags were kind of cool. I also asked for a sales email for a math game. So you can also, with that sales page, also get your sales email written, as you can see right here. I also asked for an Instagram caption for teachers at Teachers Pay Teachers, sale email subject lines, Instagram hashtags for February. These were definitely not something you want to use, but I probably need to go more specific. Then a really cool thing is that you can ask it to give you tips so that you could use these for a blog post or for an Instagram carousel, or you can modify it for a reel. Basically, it's just done for you, which is really cool. You just ask it. So let's do like in classroom management tips. So I'm going to do a new chat so that I can find it easily. So this I had a load fail, but honestly, this is enough information, as you can see, to go ahead and get started with a carousel or a blog post. Now, when you go over here, for example, it did not give me a title for that chat, so you can tap the plus sign and write a good title that you'll remember next time. Now, I did ask it for top products for my selling platform, which is Teachers Pay Teachers, and it did not have a good answer. It's just kind of generic. I asked it some post ideas for teachers on Instagram in February, and also some February teacher captions, and also some Valentine's Day Instagram captions for business owners. How can I grab attention with my Instagram captions? This would be a tips post for me as I work with B2B. So that's it pretty much for what I've tried. The sky is the limit, and I hope this was helpful for you at using ChatGPT for your own business to market.